defined to be exactly the limit and summation of the net area between a function and the x-axis. Ito yung notation ng definite integral wherein meron kayong lower limit at saka higher limit for f of x dx. Now, ito ang illustration ng definite or isang illustration ng definite integral wherein meron kayong function. Ito yung function nyo, yung graph ng function, at meron kayong interval na given by the limit a and b, at kailangan nyo daw hanapin yung graph or yung area under the curve. Gagamitan nyo ngayon yan ng definite integration para makuha nyo yung exact value or approximation ng area under the curve. Ito ay given by the definite integral from a through b ng f of x dx. Now, sa una nating example, meron tayong function at kailangan daw nating hanapin yung area under the curve for the function f of x equal to the square root of x dx within the interval from 0 through 1. Now, kapag graph natin yung function natin na square root of x, ito yung magiging itsura ng graph niya. Pero yung gagamitin natin today is hanapin natin yung area under the curve between 0 and 1. And to do that, gagamitan natin siya ng integration. Now, ito yung magiging function nyo for definite integral. So, ito yung limit nyo from 0 through 1. Lower limit is 0 at higher limit is 1. At ito yung function nyo, square root of x dx. Now, to solve for the actual value of the area under the curve, ito yung process or yung steps na gagamitin natin. So, ito yung function ng integration. Since nasa radical symbol yung function natin, i-change natin siya sa exponential para mas madali yung pag-solve ng integration process. Now, ang antiderivative ng x raised to 1/2 is x raised to 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2 from 0 to 1. So, dito sa process na to, makikita na natin na makukompute yung area under the curve. So, to simplify your function, it's simply 2/3 x raised to 3 over 2 from 0 through 1. Para ma-evaluate nyo yung area under the curve, you simply substitute the value of your upper limit to your x minus by the substitution of your lower limit to x para makuha nyo yung area under the curve. So, meron ka ngayong 2/3 times 1 raised to 3 over 2 minus yung lower limit which is 2/3 times 0 raised to 3 over 2. So, ang magiging answer nyo, yung area under the curve nitong function na to is simply 2 over 3 units squared. So, yan ang paggamit or ganito ginagamit yung definite integral sa isang problem tulad nito. Sa susunod na example, meron tayong function ulit. Yung function naman natin is x plus 2 dx. At we need to find the area under the curve within 0 and 3. So, ito yung magiging notation nyo kapag nag-translate kayo nitong word problem into integral notation. So, yung definite integral nyo is from 0 to 3 of x plus 2 dx. Now, we need to find the integral of x plus 2. So, gagamitan lang natin siya ng antiderivatives. So, integral ng x is x squared all over 2 plus the integral of 2, which is 2x, within the interval 0 through 3. Now, to find the area under this curve, hindi na natin kailangang pakita yung curve, gagamitin na lang natin yung process kanina na ginawa natin. So, substitute nyo yung upper limit nyo sa x minus yung function nyo substituted by your lower limit. So, meron ka ngayong 3 squared all over 2 plus 2 times 3 minus yung lower limit nyo na 0 squared over 2 plus 2 times 0. So, since nag-multiply kayo ng 0 sa bawat term dito, makakancel to, it will become 0. So, ang i-simplify nyo na lang will be 9 over 2 plus 6. And 9 over 2 plus 6 is equal to 21 over 2. So, yung area under the curve ng function nyo na x plus 2 dx within 0 and 3 is simply 21 over 2 units squared.